So I've had multiple comments about the AIO placement in this build, and I've had a few people say that it is incorrect. I'm not sure if they're familiar with, how air bubbles work and gravity, but the top of this radiator tank is actually about 2 to 3 inches higher than the bottom of the cold plate in the pump. Therefore, any air will end up in that tank because it's a lot higher than the cold plate. So the rule is, with AIO placement, is as long as some point in the loop, even the tubes, if some point in the loop is higher than the cold plate, the excess air will end up wherever is higher. So you can put AIOs in pretty much any position as long as you place as long as you have the right case, or you can modify the case so you can, raise the radiator up a little bit. But yeah, it's not an issue. As long as wherever the cold plate is lower than part of the loop itself, then you're okay. So you can put the radiator up top, you can put it on the sides. The place not to put it in this build would be to put it on the bottom, because if you did that, the highest point would be the pump. And then the excess air in the system would reside in the pump and starve the pump, and run it dry, which is not good. You'll always see those little 120 millimeter systems, and they always put them, on the exhaust fan, and they're pretty much the exact same placement as, mine is, as far as height. The top of the radiator tank and those tiny little systems holds the little bit of air that's in them. So, once again, the top red tank is higher than the cold plate. I've had this running for probably a year and a half now, constantly. It's quiet, cool, amazing system. And these Arctic freezers are amazing AIOs, probably the best on the market. Steve from Gamers Nexus recommended them when they came out, I think about 4 years ago, and I've ran them ever since. Ditched the Corsair ones. Love them. Anyway,